I will continue with the hotfix. Installer, import, local. I need the full path and the file name. That's why I did the ls and the pwd. It will import it to the repository. It's the same as in web, but this way it's via the console with command line. We will wait till it will import it. It finished to import it. I can see it successfully imported. I will check. Okay, I can see the hotfix. Installer verify. Now I use the number of the package. I have only one, so it's one. If I had lots of packages, I had numbers. Now it's verify the package. Then I will, when it's successfully and it's verified, we will install it. Installer. Okay, it's verified. Installation is allowed. Now, installer install one. Yes. Now it's installing the hotfix. When it's done, it will reboot, and then we will continue. The Jumbo installed successfully, and the firewall is rebooted. When it will come up again, we will continue. I